Welcome again, everyone. This is another SCRCPY guide for you guys. This one's probably going to be pretty helpful to a lot of people who use it very regularly, and it's about putting a shortcut for the no console version on the Windows 10 taskbar. So I've made one down here. That's it there. Click on it and it will open. So it's a bit tricky to do because the VBS file doesn't really cooperate. So let's get started. Just close that for now. So first thing is open File Explorer. Go to your file folder where you have the VBS file. Then right click on it and create a shortcut. So this one here. Then just copy it out and paste it onto the desktop. So that'll be mine there. Now, once you've got it here, give me 1 second, let me remove mine first. Okay, so once you've got it on your desktop, drag it down onto the taskbar and it will come up with that error when you click on it. So we need to configure it manually. So right click on it, right click on this option here, Windows based script host, select properties, and here we will have all our target information. So this is the important part. None of this information is correct. So if let's just open that again. If we view that one and then view the original, you will see the information has changed. So copy it across from the original. Both sections, same for start in. Okay, now the next step is I'll leave this bit of code in the description, but you need to copy and paste the following at the end of the target line. So go to the very end, put a space and paste it in. You'll notice there is a space between the S and the quotation mark, so leave that. And click apply, OK, and it will open. Perfect. Now, the icon is ugly, so to change the shortcut, you could do as the same as it always is. Just right click on it, go to properties, and here you'll see change icon. Just click that, pick an icon and click OK. Now it might take a while to refresh. Usually a restart will fix it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can delete that one and you're done. Brand new shortcut ready to go. Well, I hope you guys find that useful. I've got a few other SCRCPY guides on at the moment. So if you enjoy them and you find them handy, just swing us a like and subscribe. It helps out. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.